Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to enable screen recording on iPhone so you can record your screen anytime. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down and tap on Control Center. Inside Control Center, scroll down until you find the option called Screen Recording. Next, tap the green plus icon next to it. Once you do that, screen recording will be added to your Control Center shortcuts. Now, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen to open the Control Center. Here, you'll see the screen recording button. To start recording, simply tap on it. You'll see a 3-second countdown, and then your iPhone will begin recording the screen. If you want to record internal audio or microphone sound, press and hold the screen recording button and turn on the microphone option. When you're done recording, tap the red status bar at the top and select Stop. Your screen recording will automatically be saved in the Photos app. And that's it. That's how to enable and use screen recording on iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and iOS tutorials.